Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dubem and thank you guys for clicking on this link. In today's video, I'm going to be making pineapple-infused Zobo and popsicles in this video. Let me know how you guys like your Zobo. Do you guys like pineapple in your Zobo? Do you guys like ginger in your Zobo? How do you guys like it? Why not comment in the comment section below and let me know how you guys make your Zobo, how you guys like it, and what is your best recipe for the Zobo. I'm going to be sharing my own recipe with you guys, so why not you share yours back with me? Alright, let's go into the video. Zobo? Was it red enough? Did it bleed enough? And how did you guys like the popsicles? Those were my best part. I'm actually a fan for popsicles. popsicles. So anyway I can make some, I make some. I turn everything into popsicles. So yeah, let me know how you guys like it and if the video was helpful to you guys. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Love you. Goodbye.